What if I told you that just a few minutes of your day could completely transform your body, boost your energy levels, and even improve your mental clarity? Imagine waking up every morning feeling stronger, more confident, and ready to take on any challenge. No expensive gym memberships, no fancy equipment, just you, your determination, and a powerful 200-rep routine that can change your life forever. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me because, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this simple workout is a game changer. Now, let me ask you, how many times have you started a fitness routine, only to quit after a few days? How often do you feel too tired, too busy, or too unmotivated to work out? Trust me, you're not alone. Most people struggle to find an exercise plan that is effective, easy to follow, and actually enjoyable. But what if I told you that this 200-rep routine is different? It's designed to be simple yet powerful, quick yet highly effective. And best of all, it delivers results faster than you ever imagined. Before we dive into the workout itself, let's talk about why this routine works. Because understanding the why behind it will make you even more excited to start. First, let's break down a major myth in the fitness world. A lot of people believe that you need to spend hours in the gym, lifting heavy weights or running miles on a treadmill to see results. But the truth? You don't need long, complicated workouts to build strength, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness. In fact, science has proven that short, high-representative workouts like this one can be even more effective than traditional long workouts. Here's why. When you perform a high number of reps, you increase your muscular endurance, which means your muscles can work harder for longer periods of time. This not only makes you stronger but also speeds up fat loss, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances your metabolism. And when you do this every day, your body undergoes a complete transformation, both physically and mentally. Think about it, 200 reps might sound like a lot, but when you break it down, it's just a few simple movements repeated in a structured way. And the best part? You can do this routine anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even in a small apartment, there are no excuses. Just show up, push yourself, and watch as your body starts to change before your eyes. Now, let's get into the workout. This 200-rep routine is designed to work your entire body, your legs, core, arms, back, and even your cardiovascular system. It's a mix of strength training and endurance, making it one of the most well-rounded workouts you can do. But before we start, here's something you need to understand. Your mindset is just as important as your physical effort. If you go into this workout with the right attitude, you'll push yourself harder, stay consistent, and ultimately get the best results. So, don't just go through the motions. Commit to giving it your all. The workout consists of 50 squats, 50 push-ups, 50 sit-ups, 50 jumping jacks, yes, that's it. 4 simple exercises, repeated for a total of 200 reps. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This workout will challenge you in ways you never expected. Let's start with squats. Squats are one of the most powerful movements for building lower body strength, burning fat, and improving overall mobility. When you do them correctly, you engage multiple muscle groups at once: your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Plus, squats help improve your balance, coordination, and posture. Now, you might be thinking, 50 squats? That sounds like too much. But here's the secret, your body is capable of far more than you think. The first 20 reps might feel easy. By the time you hit 30, your legs will start to burn. And by 40 or 50, you'll be fighting through the discomfort. But that's exactly what you need. That burning sensation is proof that your muscles are working, growing, and getting stronger. And here's the real kicker. When you do squats every day, your legs and glutes start to shape up fast. If you've ever wanted stronger, leaner legs or a more toned lower body, this exercise alone can make a huge difference. Next up, push-ups. Probably one of the most underrated yet powerful exercises out there. Why? Because push-ups don't just work your arms, they engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. 50 push-ups may seem intimidating, but here's how you make it work. Break them down into smaller sets. Do 10 at a time if you need to, take a short break, then get right back in. What matters is that you push yourself to complete all 50. The best part? Within just a few weeks, you'll notice a dramatic increase in your upper body strength. Your arms will look more toned, your chest will feel firmer, and your overall endurance will skyrocket. Plus, push-ups are an incredible way to build core stability, which helps with everything from posture to preventing back pain. Now, let's talk about sit-ups. If you want a stronger core and better abs, this is your exercise. Sit-ups not only work your abdominal muscles but also improve your overall core strength, which is crucial for balance, stability, and even reducing the risk of injuries. Here's the key: don't just go through the motions. Engage your core, control your movement, and focus on quality over speed. Doing 50 sit-ups properly is far more effective than rushing through them with bad form. Finally, we have jumping jacks. You might be wondering, why jumping jacks? Well, this simple movement is a full-body cardio exercise that boosts your heart rate, burns calories, and enhances endurance. It also improves coordination and agility, making it an essential part of this routine. By the time you finish 50 jumping jacks, your heart will be pumping, your muscles will be fired up, and you'll feel an incredible rush of energy. And guess what? That's the feeling of progress. That's the feeling of your body transforming right in front of you. The life-changing results. Now, let's talk about the real magic. What happens when you do this routine every day? Within the first week, you'll notice an increase in your stamina and endurance. You'll feel more energized throughout the day, and simple tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries will start to feel easier. By week 2, your muscles will start to feel stronger, your posture will improve, and you may even notice a slight difference in how your clothes fit. By week 3, your body will begin to adapt, and what once felt challenging will start to feel easier. This is when the real transformation happens. Your metabolism kicks into high gear, fat loss accelerates, and muscle definition becomes more noticeable. And after 1 month, you'll look in the mirror and see a stronger, fitter, more confident version of yourself. Your energy levels will be through the roof, your mind will be sharper, and you'll have built an incredible habit that will benefit you for a lifetime. The question is, are you ready to commit? This 200-rep routine is simple but powerful. It doesn't require hours of your time, just your dedication. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, stay consistent, and experience the life-changing results for yourself. Now, before you go, hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful fitness tips, and let me know in the comments, are you up for the challenge? Let's make this journey together.